Molweni, welcome back. Guys, please get your popcorns, get your drinks. There's a lot I want us to unpack on this video. I'm sure sonke sesiyibonile episode yayizolo where uMacele threw a bomb at us. Okokuqala uvezile uba yena noMusa Mseleku bethetha ngoThobile nangama-plans kaMusa Mseleku. uMseleku wathi uMakhumalo akafuni umthatha. So eyona nto yokuqala eyenzeka kuba uMakhumalo ebeyintombazane ezosiza, which means she was a helper. Another thing, uMusa Mseleku had a church. So bonke ke as a family noMayeni bebengena ke i-church apho, and then uMakhumalo as a helper naye engena i-church. Not only that, waba yintombazana ebetha isigubhu ecaweni. Inoba uMacele ebezibona i-signs zoba hayi ingathi khona into eyenzekayo phakathi kwaMusa Mseleku noMacele, iyona nto eyenza uMusa Mseleku wayiphika loo nto wathi asoze nimthathe. At that point, uMacele already ebesesazi uba uMusa Mseleku uyindoda yesithembu because uMayeni was already there, and nguye uMayeni waqala wasinika i-information yoba uThobile ebeyintombazana yesigubhu. Kodwa ke ekaMakhumalo yona hayi uMusa Mseleku waxoka kakhulu esithi uMakhumalo akasoze amthathe, wagqibela emthathile. Now let's get to isigaxa se-pregnancy. In the process eyokutshontshana kaMusa Mseleku noMakhumalo, nizothi bebetshontshana guys, because I mean uMakhumalo was not introduced as umuntu ozothathwa nguMusa Mseleku. So ngapho uMusa Mseleku uthi akasoze amthathe uMakhumalo is just a helper. So lento ithe engqondweni yami, uMakhumalo was told uba lento yethu siyayifihla. Then bebetshontshana ke at this point. So ekutshontshane kwabo uMakhumalo fell pregnant. Akhange amithiswe ngomnye umuntu kanye enye indoda, kwakunguMseleku. Ngoku uMakhumalo sebonakala ezithwele endaweni, nabanye abantu kaloku bayambona, noMacele ke indaba zafika kuye uba uMakhumalo uzithwele. At this point ayaziwa indaba uba umnikazi wepregnancy nguMusa Mseleku ngoba bayatshontsana. Now the biggest question is, kwenzeka ntoni ngepregnancy kaMakhumalo? Where's the baby? So this is what happened to Makhumalo.
Ngithi I know akesilinde ubani angizange ngimve lutho. So if ngithatha leyo direction manje, it means ziningi izinto ezizongenzeka. uMakhumalo uthe ekhona kodwa samfihla ngamfihla mina, kwangafuneki kwaziwe ukuthi ukhona, therefore kwangafuneka ukuthi akhulelwe, because ukube ubeke wakhulelwa sazi thina bese bana ama-issues. Ngabe kunabantu abakhona egcikeni, but ngoba ngalalela abantu, ngahlonipha abantu, I have lost, and ngaluza ngaze ngafika la uMakhumalo engakwazi ukwenza khona abantu. Sifika la ekhaya.
Yayiva ke ngoku. So le pregnancy okuthethwa ngayo, according to uMusa Mseleku, they had to abort ngoba yena noMakhumalo bagqibele sebephrekisana betshontsana. So uMusa Mseleku was protecting umzi wakhe uba hayibo lo muntu oyi-helper futhi ebetha isigubhu e-church ngoku se-pregnant, abantu bazawuthini? More than anything abafazi bakhe bazawuthini? After watching i-episode yayizolo, i-perspective yabantu seyitshintshile, and this is what people believe at this point. Kanti Makhumalo has a hidden child that the whole community at Mzumbe knows. Yet each season she acts like she can't children. Wow, guys, I love this English, okay? It's giving Musa Kawule. Are you dumb? Don't you know what ectopic pregnancy is? You know you can have a child and later on have ectopic pregnancies resulting in infertility, right? Just loud and dumb. She doesn't have, I think she miscarried or something, because Macele says she was pregnant walking with her boyfriend when Macele showed Mtombeni that time Makhumalo was a domestic worker or helper at Mseleku's. A huge part of me is refusing to believe uba uMakhumalo ukhona umntana amfihlileyo. At the same time, we gotta leave a rule ngoba you will never know. Ngiyakhumbula uba uMangwabe sabukela uthando nesithembu for the longest up until season was it season 7? Imagine season 7, that's when we got to know uba uMangwabe has a son. So people can hide, guys. People can hide. I can also give you another example of how much people can hide. You know Chico Twala, right? The father of Longwe Twala, the one who was involved in the shooting that happened on Senzomeyu. Chico Twala is Lami's father. You know, we got to know about this not so long ago. For the longest, we did not know uba Ulami's Udata Wake Chico Twala. So people can hide. So that's why I'm like, we could be shocked uba there's a child of Makhumalo out there. In as much as we want to believe uba there's a child hidden out there, but then it does not add up, guys, because there's no way uMakhumalo would cry, because there are seasons where she would cry athi yena uyavuka ekuseni ayosebenza akayazi nento ayisebenzelayo inoba akasebenzeki into kaloku since akho mntana uyasebenza nje ke ngoku izinto azisebenzelayo azithengayo zizawuthathwa ngubani and negama lakhe lizofa njengoba engenamntana. So I don't think she would even take it that far when it comes to hiding her child. I think she was just gonna keep quiet and be like, oh, andinayo umntana nomseleko, and that's it. You know, just like uMangwabe, naye wafihla umntana wakhe kodwa she would not say anything, you know. She would just like, okay, but it's a different case because uMangwabe unabo abantwana noMusa Mseleko. But yeah, guys, there's no way uMakhumalo would cry because uyambona uba into yokungabi nomntana imphatha kabi kakhulu. So there's no way. I just feel like, as Umusa Mseleko said, actually, they had an abortion. Now let's talk about the ectopic pregnancy issue. So uMakhumalo was seen pregnant and then they decided to do abortion. And again, you guys have heard it right away. Umusa Mseleko is saying that. I'm not the one saying it, it's Umusa Mseleko. Ngoku iwari yam, where did they do abortion? Bayenze eklinikhi okanye bahambe baya, you know, to a traditional healer, or they bought some pills. Bayenze abortion and bayenze kanjani? And remember, those days people were not so big on abortion. Those days you probably needed to, you know, do it traditionally, usele imbiza, usele ntontoni yonke le mithi engasili. From there, there's a high chance that's what caused her not to have children anymore. I'm not saying it's a fact. I'm saying there's a high possibility that from doing abortion, akhange mhlawumbe aklinike kahle okanye kwaba nama-complications. That's why I'm questioning, where did she did abortion? Wayenza kanjani abortion? Because kuyenzeka uba wenze abortion and then ungaphinde ube nabantwana, depending on the fact uba uyenze kanjani. Another possibility is that even if she decided to keep la pregnancy, leyo umacela athetha ngayo, ibingasoze ihlale ngoba anengxaki yoba ne-ectopic pregnancy, right? So at this point, only God knows uba wenzeke ntoni ngoMakhumalo. Mhlawumbi she's suffering from not having children because of la abortion, okanye even if she kept the child, umntana was not gonna stick on ngoba anengxaki anayo. Now let's talk about the chances of Makhumalo having a hidden child out there. So if ikhona chance yoba uMakhumalo unayo umntana, okay? If ikhona lo chance leyo, this could be the child. Yeah, this could be the child. I'm gonna get into it. This young man goes by the name of Luandle Mthombe. Funny enough, xa njonga ama-pictures of this young man, naye uhlala endlini eyelo. I'm like, hayibo. Another thing that is so common is the fact that uMusa Mseleko igama lakhe nguLwandle nokuthi ke ungumThombeni, and khona ke uLwandle ozalwa nguMacele andithi. So that's a common thing ke eyenza uba ndithi we need to look into this boy or this man. Andazi uba une how many years kodwa I think sekhulile ngubhuti nje okhulile. Another interesting thing here is that almost all the Mselekos are following this guy, right? Almost all of them. That is Smindi, Umpumelelo, Umayeni. Imagine, Umayeni is following this boy. So I'm like, how? Ikhona man into ekhona apha. And naye, he's following them. Then there's a production company, Kamusa Mseleko, called Thengsma, which Utando Nestembo is under. That guy is following the page, and also the page is following the guy. So yiloo nto nje, I'm like, hayi man, ikhona nje into apha. There's a possibility yoba lo mntana kaMusa Mseleko. So ngoku njengoba uMacele got us believing uba uMakhumalo unomntana, then if that's the case, if that is true uba unomntana out there, this young man here could be the one. But again, I stand on what I said, uba it does not make sense. Akwazi uMakhumalo ukukhala kangaka kanti enomntana omhle kangaka out there. There's no way. But now, who is this young man? You know? Ndiyazibuza uba who is this young man? Ode abe namagama wakwaMseleko, and why are they following him? Why is he following them back? including umayini. Kaloku umayini does not take nonsense. So ungabona umayini ekufollowisha, hayi inoba you make a lot of sense ke sana. Now let's talk about Makhumalo being a helper kwaMseleku. Yo, guys, a part of me feels uba uMakhumalo betrayed herself a lot ngokungena kwaMseleku, ngendlela wangena ngayo, and the sacrifices that she made. Jonga namhlanje akanabo abantwana. There's a high chance uba it's because of that abortion. Imagine if she had met enye indoda engenasithembu emthandayo, okay, even if ibingamthandi that much, but namhlanje ngawo umntana naye. Most probably ke, andithi we don't know uba kuzokwenzeka ntoni, but there's a high chance uba ngawo umntana unaye. Kodwa ngoba, you know, she was so in love and so naive to a point where when she fell pregnant, uMusamseleki was like, no, you should do abortion. Naye wathi, okay, yebo baba. Yo, bandla. A part of me again, understand that uMakhumalo shem ebengumntana bandla. She was just a kid. I think she just needed a lot of guidance. I don't know uba abazali bakhe bebephi okanye bebengayiboni lento, because again we cannot really blame abazali. Sometimes yazi abazali bethu abayazi imikhuba esiyenzayo, you understand? So, but I think she needed a lot of guidance at the time ngoba into kaMusamseleki noThobile uMakhumalo yaba official when she was 18. So at what age when she got pregnant? Le pregnancy le uMacele athetha ngayo, how old was she? So she was not at the point where she would, you know, make decisions abadlileyo. So since uMusamseleki told her uba hayi sizokwenza abortion ngoba kaloku ndiyakufihla abafazi bam blah blah blah, shem umntana abantu had to just say yes, yebo baba. Kodwa ke namhlanje I'm pretty sure uba yo uyaregreta kakhulu. I think yona nto futhi emkhalisayo ukujonga emva ama-sacrifices awenzileyo just to find herself being part of that family. Usacrifice kakhulu girl, there's no way. So the fact that uMakhumalo ebetshontshana noMusamseleki while she's a helper, then waqoma indoda yomntu, ngoba kaloku xa uqome indoda yesithembu, we are talking about into e-open uba umamkhulu uyakwazi, you know, yonke into, like uyaziwa kahle. Kodwa ke uMusamseleki was never truthful. So in this situation, uMacele uright xa esithi yena khange aqome indoda yomnye umuntu. uMakhumalo did qoma indoda yomnye umuntu because wafihlwa, and efihlwa nje naye wavuma uba afihlwe. So why did she agree uba afihlwe xa uMusamseleki esithi mna ndiyindoda yesithembu, vele isithembu yinto eyaziwayo noMacele uyayazi, you know, noMacele ndambikela uba mna ndiyindoda yesithembu kunabantu abazolandela emva kwakhe. So wayefihlelwani ke uMakhumalo? Wayefihlelwani? Like, I'm just so lost. So in my own opinion, uMusamseleki, I think wayenayo into yoba uyasifuna isithembu engqondweni yakhe, kodwa he was not honest ebafazini bakhe, especially kuMacele. He was not honest. That's what it means. Because nayizolo he couldn't even defend himself. Kodwa ke inkulu futhi nalento le pregnancy kaMakhumalo, because uMusamseleki couldn't say anything. He was just there like no comment. Yabona ke le andizungena kuyo, andifuna uthetha ngayo, yilento yoba they had to do abortion. So Musamseleki does not even want to talk about that on camera. But he once spoke about it. I don't know, Musamseleki unengxaki yolibala. He once spoke about it, so he can just carry on. Asinike into eyiyo, ube clear uba kwenzeka ntoni ngepregnancy kaMakhumalo. That's all from me, guys. Let's catch up next time. Take care. Bye.